Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Honda, hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2021 Honda Jazz SR. Now of course it is finished in platinum white and you do get full LED headlights, front parking sensors, and of course you get these brilliant 16-inch alloy wheels. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern that you do actually get on this Jazz. As you can see as well, coming around to the rear, we've got LED tail lights, we've got 4 rear parking sensors, then we've also got plenty of room inside of the tailgate. As you can see, you've then got 60-40 split, completely flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. Just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now you can see we have magic seats, which will, when dropped down, will release the cloth grey and black leather interior with ISOFIX mounting point to the bottom. You get full electric windows all round, and then coming into the front you get keyless start. Then of course in here we have your electric handbrake with brake hold, got your economy mode, we've got your CVT gearbox in the middle, then we've also got your climate control settings just here below the radio. Within here you get your Bluetooth hands-free, you get your various audio sources in here as well. You do also have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, which will enable your satellite navigation. Then coming over to the steering wheel, we've got your voice assistant, volume, track select, the return button, home button and bezel in between controls the onboard computer. Over on the right hand side we have your cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 27,068 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Jazz SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.